So now we have this first problem. Find the collapse load for the beam loaded as shown in figure. Now again ds. Now you can see 2 at this vertical reaction moment. Second we have reaction at C. Third we have reaction at B. So reactions we have 4. Equilibrium equation 2. So now my value of ds is 2. So number of possible hinges. So how many hinges now we have? 4. Where we have 4? First as fixed support A. Second we have at C, which is continuous support now. Third we have under concentrated load, and fourth we have in UDL span. Now this is again we have symmetrical. You can see left support is fixed, right support is continuous. So what does it mean? Symmetrical, because supports continuous considered as fixed. So we have symmetrical. So my hinge will be at center of this 5 meter, that is AC. Now number of possible hinges 4, that you can see in figure 1b. Now number of hinges required for collapse. So we have ds plus 1. So we have 3. Number of independent mechanisms we have 4 minus 2. 4 we have capital N, which is number of possible hinges. 2 we have ds that we have calculated, and from this we have 2 independent mechanisms. Now you can see over here hinges first, second, third, and then fourth. Now mechanism 1 at center, I already told you theta A equal to theta C, which is equal to delta 1 upon 2.5. This is also at center. So delta 2 we will give theta C2 equal to theta B, which is delta upon 1, delta 2 upon 1.5, again at center. Now but I have changed, here I have 2 MP, here I have 2.5 MP. So whatever hinges I have at C, my plastic moment is minimum of the 2, lesser of the 2. So here also 2 MP, here also 2 MP. And then if you solve this, then external work done, theta A equal to theta C1, theta A equal to theta C1. That will gives me 2 MP theta A, here 2 MP theta A, plus 2 MP theta A, here again 2 MP theta A, plus 2 MP theta C1. So 2 MP theta C1, 2 MP theta C1, 2 MP theta C1. So substitute theta A equal to theta C1, delta 1 upon 2.5. And if you calculate it, you will get 30 into half delta 1 into 5. So now why we will take half delta 1 into 5? Again UDL, under UDL we have to take total area. So total area we have this half delta 1 into 5. Because under UDL we have to take area of this. Gives me first value of MP, which is 23.44 kilonewton meter. Now I will go to second mechanism. Here 2 MP, I already told you minimum of the 2. So minimum of the 2 means we will get it as 2.5 and 2. So minimum is 2. But at this we have 2.5, we have 2.5. Here we do not have hinge because end support, simple support. So now we will substitute it. So we have 2 MP theta C2, 2.5 MP theta C2, 2.5 MP theta B. Now you substitute it. So theta C2 equal to theta B, delta 2 upon 1.5. So you substitute these values. By substituting these values, I will get second value, 5.36 kilonewton meter. Maximum of 2. First we have 23.44. Second we have 5.3. So we have plastic moment, 23.44 kilonewton meter. Now we will go to second. Now in this we have support A is also fixed. We have support B is also fixed. So number of reactions, 2 at A, 1 at 3 C, 3. So 2 at B. So 3 plus 2, 5. So number of reactions 5. Equilibrium equations again 2. So 5 minus 2. So we have 3. So ds 3. Number of possible hinges, 1 at fixed support A, second at fixed support B, third at continuous support C, fourth in UDL, fifth under concentrated load. Again support A is fixed, support C is continuous. So in hinge will form in the center of AC. So n number of hinges required, ds plus 1. So that is 4. Number of independent mechanisms, we have 2. So now we can go for this. So first mechanism AC, second mechanism BC. So we have at center. So theta A equal to theta C, delta 1 by 2. This is also at center. Theta C2 equal to theta B, that is equal to delta 2 by 2. So now you see, if you substitute these values, then by substituting these values, you will get theta A equal to theta C1 equal to delta 1 by 2. As UDL, so we have to consider area under this. So we have W half delta into L, MP theta A plus MP theta A, because we have MP theta A over, we have MP theta A over here. Here MP theta C will, here MP theta C will, and that will gives me MP 2 MP delta 1 by 2 for theta A, for theta C1 delta 1 by 2 symmetrical. So I got value of MP as 20 kilonewton meter. Now you can switch over to second. It's CB. So here we have MP theta C2, MP theta C2, MP theta C2, MP theta C2, MP theta B over here, MP theta B over here. So now as load is in center, that also we have seen. So I have theta C2 equal to theta B. So we have theta C2 equal to theta B. Now I got value of MP 25 kilonewton meter. First I have value 20 kilonewton meter. Second, I have value as 25 kilonewton meter. So plastic moment we have maximum of the two. So I got this plastic moment as 25 kilonewton meter. So in most of the problem you have seen value in first mechanism is greater than second. So it does not mean that you have always first mechanism gives maximum value. In this problem you can see my second mechanism gives me maximum value. So that we have to say mechanism 1 and mechanism 2. Out of these two mechanisms, whatever maximum we have, or if you have three mechanisms, that also we have seen. So out of these three mechanisms, whatever maximum I got, that value will be my plastic moment. Now you can switch over to the uh, last problem where we have this as propped cantilever. Now in this you cannot go directly that in propped cantilever we have this value that is plastic moment equal to WL square upon 11.656 and you will find value of MP. You will get only 1 mark for this. Here you cannot use formula of MP for propped cantilever. You have to solve this problem is about 6 marks. So when you have problem for 6 marks, then how you can use formula directly? There we have continuous beam for 6 marks. So we have two mechanisms and then it will take time to solve. Therefore, there you can go directly formula for that beam, but here you cannot go directly formula for beam. You have to go step by step. Now I will explain this in detail. You see it carefully now. Now how many plastic hinges? So where plastic hinges forms, first fixed support first, second in between the support A and B. Now it is not symmetrical, so will not form at center because we have this as left support, fixed support, right support, roller support. Here I have considered X from B. Choice is yours if not given in the examination. But if mentioned in the examination, then choice is not yours. You have to consider whatever is given. So now DS, two reactions at A, one reaction at B. So I have three reactions. So three reactions, two equilibrium equations. One, DSI 0 because all we have syllabus of open loop structures. So now DS1. So number of possible hinges n equal to 2. So we have at A and in between supports A and B. Number of hinges required DS plus 1, DS is 1. So 1 plus 1 number of independent mechanisms. So now we have n minus DS. N is 2, DS is 1. So we have 1. Now if we will go below, then you have theta A delta upon 6 minus x. Here you can see theta A. X, this is 6 minus x. So theta A delta 2 upon 6 minus x. Theta B delta 2 upon 6 minus x or delta upon 6 minus x. So we have theta A, we have theta B. Now virtual work done. Virtual work method, external work done, internal work done, or energy absorbed by plastic hinges. So intensity of load into area under load, moment into rotation. So W half delta into L equal to 2 MP theta MP theta B. Why? Now you can see MP theta A over here. We have MP theta A over here. We have MP theta B only here. So here we do not have a hinge because end support, simple or roller, no hinge will be formed. End support, simple or roller, no hinge will be formed. This is most important. Now, so I have 2 MP theta A, MP theta B. Now we will put theta A delta upon 6 minus x, theta B delta upon x. Now you solve this. 40 WU half delta L is 6 gives me 120 equal to MP. So 2 we have taken inside, 2 upon 6 minus x plus 1 by x equal to MP. Solve this. 2x LCM we have taken plus 6 minus x. So we have x plus 6 upon x into 6 minus x. So we have 120, 6 plus x, x into 6 minus x. Now take derivative of this. So we have v, u, 6 plus x. You can see u, 6 plus x, v, x into 6 minus x. Now du by dx. So we have derivative of this, 1 only. Then we have dv by dx. So we have x goes inside. So 6x minus x square. So it becomes 6 minus 2x. So we have substituted we have x into 6 minus x du by dx. From where we have seen 1, so we have 1. U we have 6 plus x dv by dx. Here we have taken x inside, so 6x we have 6, x square we have 2x. So below we have, sorry, this should be x into 6 minus x whole square. That should not be 6. So this is x into 6 minus x whole square. So this goes on left, so becomes 0. So I have x into 6 minus x minus 6 minus 2x into 6 plus x. So we have solved this. So we have an equation x square minus 36 plus 2x. So if you solve this quadratic equation, that will give you value of x, which will be 2.49 meters. Now you calculate 0.414 into L. Why 0.414? Because we have taken from roller support. If we will consider it from A, then we have value 0.586 into L. Now we have considered from B, so VP we calculate 6 into 0.414 equal to, you will get 2.48 something. We have rounded it up, which will gives me value as 2.49 meter. So now we have this value. You can see we have this is 120 equal to MP 6 plus x upon x into 6 minus x. So you can put over here. So if you will substitute it, 120 MP 6 plus x, so 6 plus 2.49 upon x into 6 minus x. So if you will rearrange the terms and if you simplify this value, so by simplifying this value, I will get value of MP as 123.54 kilonewton meter. Now to check it in examination, so if you have formula WUL square upon 11.656, what is value of WU? You can go, we have 40. So WU into L square. What is L? 6. So 40 into 6 square upon 11.656. So you can put it in calculator. By substituting it in calculator, you will get value of MP, and that value you will get this value as 123.54 kilonewton meter. So my plastic moment for this problem, proper cantilever with UDL 40 kilonewton per meter with span 6 meter gives me value of MP 123.54 kilonewton meter. So this is all about plastic analysis. So we have covered